Hello, happy Sunday. I hope everybody is enjoying the first day of July. I'm going to run through the July promos with you guys. Just want to make sure that everybody's in the loop because it is easy to miss some of the promos if you're not being told about them. So I figured that I would let you guys know what's going on for July so that you can figure out if there's something that you want to get started with, because this is an excellent month to get started. Because there's a lot that you can get for free or that you can get 10% off. So just going to start with the, for my existing customers, Cedarwood is our product of the month, which means if you place 125 PV LRP order before the 15th, you get this bottle completely free. So Cedarwood for me is one of my favorites in the diffuser at night. I love to partner it with equal drops of vetiver, which is really good. I mean, it's like, for me, the most peaceful nights of sleep that I get is when I use this combination. So I'll do equal drops, about 3 of each in the diffuser of our free Cedarwood and then the vetiver. And I just sleep like a baby. It's my favorite combination. You could also mix the cedarwood with lavender, which comes in a lot of our starter kits and is a good option when you're first getting started. It's really good for little ones. It's very calming. It's very helpful with building healthy relationships and all that type of stuff. So cedarwood is really good for all those things. But my favorite way to use it right now has been to use it in the diffuser. The reason that you'll see that I've got dropper tops on is that they're a little bit thicker oil. So I like to put a dropper top on it to make it easier for myself. But cedarwood free product of the month. The second thing that I want to go over real quick is the 10% off product for the month. So every month doTERRA does a product of the month for the loyal customers that are ordering, and then also a 10% off item. So this month our 10% off item is the exfoliating body scrub. This stuff is like heavenly. I love to use it on the bottom of my feet, elbows, anywhere that you've got dry skin. It's really good as a to shave, not to shave with, but to help get your skin prepared to shave. So it's kind of like a sugar scrub, and then it has wild orange, grapefruit, and ginger in it. So it smells really good, very good exfoliant for your skin, and really helps prepare your skin for the day. It has a nice moisture barrier in it too with the oils, and so really help prepare yourself for this summer. So that's 10% off. That's 10% off for anybody. So whether you're a new person who gets started and you choose to add this to your order, you can get it 10% off this month. Or if you are a loyal customer and you want to add this to your order this month, everybody will get 10% off. So that's what I love about doTERRA. They don't exclude anybody from certain promos. So the 10% off is good for anybody. And this smells so, so good. The next one that I want to run through is wild orange. So wild orange is the oil of abundance. It's really good when you're looking to kind of boost the things that you've got going on. I'll be using this a lot in the diffuser. I like it in the diffuser with another like minty oil. So I'll do peppermint normally because that's in our starter kit, and it's a really good option. So wild orange and peppermint, which are both really good for energizing in the morning, waking up. A lot of people will diffuse it in their office while they're working because it does wake up your brain and help you get started with the day. So wild orange is free for anyone who gets started with my Family Essentials kit or higher. You can get this bottle free. So basically, any of my starter kits, if you get any of them, you'll get wild orange for free. It's made from the rind of an orange, and it smells just so sweet and citrusy. You can add it to your water. I really like to do it in like orange LaCroix, or add it to really a margarita, anything. It's really good to add some flavor to that. So wild orange is free for anybody who gets started with any of my starter kits this month. And then the last oil that I want to talk about is Copaiba. So Copaiba is also free for anyone who gets started with a 200 PV order. So all that basically means is my home essentials kit or higher, you'll get this free. And then of course you still will qualify to get the wild orange for free when you qualify to get the Copaiba. So you get both for free if you get started with one of those kits. So the Copaiba is really good for discomfort, tension. A lot of people like to use it for serious head tension. So I'm going to do some posting about this oil later because there's some things that are easier written than said out loud. And so I don't want anyone to be misunderstood by what I'm saying about these oils. And so I'm going to post a graphic for you guys later so that you can see what is going on for this. Copaiba is anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antibacterial, antioxidant. So it has like everything. It just came out about a year ago, and so it's been the go-to for a lot of people. It really is good for that pain and discomfort. So a lot of people are using it, like you can use it for teething babies and mix it in that roller. So I'll do about 1 or 2 drops of Copaiba and then of lavender, which also comes in our starter kits. And I'll mix that together in a roller, and just you can apply topically right on their gum line, on their jaw, and all that kind of stuff to help with teething pain. This is a really good option for that. So just run over these one more time. If you are a loyal customer, make sure that you get your order in before the 15th of the month so you can get your free cedarwood. If you are interested in getting the exfoliating body scrub, make sure that you add that to your order this month so you can get 10% off. If you get started with the Family Essentials Kit or higher, you're going to get free wild orange this month. And then if you get started with my Home Essentials Kit or higher, you're going to get Copaiba for free this month. So you'll also get the wild orange if you get that second level kit or higher. So let me know if there's anything I can help you get started with this month, but I just wanted to run over those promos before we get too far into July and anybody misses out on anything. So let me know if there's something that I can help you with. I would love to pour into you. You don't have to know anything about oils to get started. Trust me, I knew very, very little when I got started. All I knew is that I wanted some natural answers for myself and for my family, and wanted to be able to help take care of things at home if it was possible before going into the doctor. And also, I didn't, if you don't want to go to the doctor at midnight and you want to wait till 8 o'clock the next morning when your doctor's office opens, I wanted some options to help me get through the night that were natural. And there's been significant improvement to so many things in our life from using the oils, that it's not just a quick fix. It's our day-to-day go-to for everything that we've got going on. So let me know if there's something I can help you get started with. If you're not sure what kit to get started with, or you're not sure how to get the best deals and get the best promos and all the free products, let me know. I would be happy to help you go through the kit options and decide which one is best for your family and your financial situation. So reach out, let me know, leave a comment, and I will get back to you. Thank you. Have a good night.